Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest updates.
So Dhruv Rathi might crack jokes that it's actually cheaper to go to Dubai and buy the new iPhone than buying the new iPhone here in India, but market figures say otherwise. iPhone sales have actually grown in India during the COVID-19 pandemic, and that's quite remarkable if you consider that the economy has slowed down and most Indians are facing a financial crunch. So let's take a look at some numbers. In the past 3 months of July, August and September, nearly 8 lakh iPhones have been sold in India, according to analyst firm Canalys. Compare this with iPhone sales for the same 3 months in 2019. So this is July, August and September of 2019, approximately around just 6,13,000 iPhones had been sold in India. This nearly 8 lakh iPhones sold in India become even more impressive when you look at how few iPhones were sold during the second quarter of 2020 when the pandemic and the lockdown was in full force. In the second quarter of 2020, that is the 3 months of April, May and June, approximately 250,000 iPhones were sold. So imagine that iPhone sales have gone from around 250,000 units in one quarter to nearly 8 lakh units in the next quarter. So here's what Canalys research director Rushabh Doshi had to say about Apple. Apple is finally paying attention to India, and it has opened a direct online store, giving it several new angles in its go-to market strategy, such as utilizing device trade-ins to provide purchase incentives or bundling AirPods with iPhones to make them more appealing. And this demand for iPhone isn't just in your typical big city like a Delhi, a Mumbai, a Bangalore or a Chennai. Going by seller listings on OLX, users of brand new iPhones, second-hand iPhones, even iPhones whose originality can be questioned exist in cities across India like in Kanpur, in Patna and in Srinagar. Even if you compare how popular the iPhone 12 Pro is compared to the OnePlus brand's 8T, you will notice that the iPhone model seems to be more popular going by Google Trends Insight. Both these phones, if you remember, were announced in the same week, and it seems strange that the iPhone 12 Pro, which costs over 1 lakh rupees, is a more popular search term on Google than the OnePlus 8T, which has a starting price under 50,000 rupees. But that's what the trends seem to be telling us. So what are your thoughts? What do you think? Why do you think the iPhone seem to be selling better during COVID times, especially these times that are financially hard hitting, rather than before when there was no COVID, no coronavirus and no pandemic? Let us know in the comment section below. For The Print, this is Regina Mihindukula Surya. Do not forget to subscribe to The Print's YouTube channel, and as always, keep tabs on us across all forms of social media.